Good morning to everyone. My name is Samanyu. I study in class 9th standard. Today I will be telling about the Corruption Free India movement or the Corruption Free India. A corruption free India is a dream that every politician promises his voters during elections but forget it during the regime. While corruption is usually associated with public sector employees and politicians, we cannot deny the fact that massive corruption and criminal offences still exist even in a primary private sector of India. Preventing corruption is not an easy task, especially in a democratic country like ours, India. India is a free market country with strong laws on privacy and human rights. But this is not the case in authorization in regimes like North Korea or China. When a state is a complete police state, it becomes easier to tackle corruption since there would be no resistance. But in India, even the anti corruption officers need to follow the course of law to prevent corruption. It is a tricky situation that since the criminals circumvent the law while the people catching them has to follow the law. Red tape bureaucracy, lack of accountability, and instability and ineffectiveness of the leadership are some of the major reasons for the rising corruption rates in India. For India to become truly corruption free, strong laws, the autonomy of power to government officer, and good awareness campaigns for public should be done. The dream of corruption free India is a long road ahead. Corruption in India still exists on all levels, from ministers to watchmen. Corruption has a cost, the taxpayers thousands of crores in revenue for the country. A thorough, unbiased investigation should be conducted when a corruption scandal breaks out. Corruption in India exists both in the private and the public sector. Anti-Corruption Bureau is a governmental autonomous body which is responsible in India for the prevention of corruption and catching them. Bribe and the takers should be abolished. Lack of accountability and ineffective system in the place is the reason for high corruption rates in India. The lab development in India is directly related to the amount of corruption that takes place in our country at each level and all times. I personally believe that corruption can be stopped in India if all the people together make an effort and don't be and there the awareness should be spread along the people that money is the main cause of corruption. Thank you.